3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Tabby. Going to be showing you some hand stretches today. First up we can do is finger slides. So start with your thumb here and move it there. You may notice some may be harder than others. You can also go the other way, or you can try it outside, really get that thumb working. All right. Something you can also do is kind of work on your coordination. So kind of touching your finger to your thumb. See if you can go back the same way. Keep the tempo consistent throughout the entire exercise. Nice stretch you can do is tendon glides, where you kind of segmentally and slowly stretch out your fingers. You want to do it really slowly and kind of work into it. If you feel some restriction, don't push into it too much. Take it easy and see if you can gain a millimeter or part of a millimeter each time.